Did you know a regular human once stabbed the god of war and made him cry? During the Trojan War, a Greek warrior named Diomedes stepped onto the battlefield. Not a demigod, not a son of Zeus, just a man with a spear and the blessing of Athena. And that was enough. Athena pulled back the veil that normally hides the gods from mortal eyes. Suddenly, Diomedes could see them moving through the battle, helping, cheating, playing with human lives like it was nothing. So he fought back. When Ares charged at him, Diomedes drove his spear straight into the god of war's stomach. Ares, the most feared god on the battlefield, screamed. Then he ran, all the way back to Olympus, crying to Zeus about what happened. Zeus looked at him and basically said he was embarrassing. But Diomedes wasn't done. He turned around and stabbed Aphrodite in the wrist too. One mortal man, two gods. Both fled. The gods spent all of mythology bullying humans. Turns out, sometimes humans hit back.